So colleagues, so this is Reading Coach. So I want to look on my screen, my home screen. So I normally start by saying, doing this. I've got my SDLR. I've got the flight simulation, Copilot, Siyavula, Notebook LM, Gemini, Prezi Presentation, Canva, Reading Coach. So today we are doing Reading Coach. So, or you can let me just click on Reading Coach and so that you can see the website for Reading Coach. Or you can simple colleagues, here it is, I'm highlighting. I will stop there so that I'll check whether you are able to see. Sir, am I with you guys?
Yes, sir. Everything is flowing fine. We can
Okay.
see the screen.
So on my browser, that is a website that you need to type in order to access the Reading Coach, coach.microsoft.com. Then it will take you through this particular Reading Coach landing page. So, okay, let's start here before we go to the practical part. Why is it app important, or this AI tool important in our schools? Remember, we've got language teachers that normally we do not accommodate them when we use these AI tools. So this is one tool that you can use, or that you can train our teachers in order for them to use it in their languages. So it enables, or it allows the learner to be able to read, and it corrects a particular, maybe a noun or a verb that this learner needs to understand, or an adjective that this learner needs to understand. And also it grades, or it gives a percentage of that particular passage that the learner is reading. So this is a very great tool for all the language teachers. So let's get started. So here, colleagues, on this landing page, there is get started here on top. So this one here on top, there is saying get started. The other one, colleagues, under the Reading Coach free learn to read in multiple languages, AI-powered stories in personalized practice, there is also get started. So let's click any of those. They are the same. So you want to click that one, colleagues. Another thing, maybe Chairperson, that I need to emphasize to our colleagues is that this app is a Microsoft app, meaning that for you to access the app, you need to have a Microsoft account, your GDE account. Then you'll be able to access for free. So I encourage our colleagues to have their not login credentials, but their Microsoft account being activated, because as GDE, we have free access. All right. So here, colleagues, there is a teacher. I'm going to click on teacher. Immediately, I want to show you something. Immediately when I click on teacher, it goes to teacher. When I click on student, it goes to student. So we are going to focus on student. All right. So what is it? Colleagues, let me explain all the features. Here, this is a story that I was reading or was practicing on. But again, you can create a story using AI. Let's click on it. You click here, colleagues. These are the icons or characters or main characters that a learner can choose based on his or her own mood for the day. For example, you can choose to be an animal, maybe a bird. Click on the bird. Where is the bird, for example, on the ocean? Another thing, colleagues, that I want to highlight is the issue of the levels. Remember, our learners, they are learning different levels, because obviously they cannot be at the same par in the classroom. So you know which learner is at a particular level. So you can choose a level. You can choose level 1, which is the easiest one. So then you can create that story. So the story should look like this one based on the AI that is generating the story for you. Okay. So let me just stop here and hear from the chairperson. Chairperson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, am I still, the Wi-Fi still fine?
You are still on time. Yes, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, sir, because sometimes this Wi-Fi, it lags. Thank you. Okay, colleagues, when you are ready, then you you click on start reading. Then this app will you'll read. Okay, I'm going back because I want to explain all of them. Just want to have one example. Another one, colleagues, you can choose read from our library. Let's click that one. Again, the issue levels, passage level 1, it is. You can choose any passage there. You can choose this story. Let's click on it. So again, colleagues, there's a story here. And once it's like this one, you need to allow the app start reading. Let's read this one. But when I was checking the previous now, colleagues, they say the app is down. So let's check if it's not online. I will reading so that it can give me the percentages. All right, let's start. I'll read. This morning it was cloudy. Maria and her friends went outside. They played tag. The sun came out. The sun felt warm. The air got warmer and warmer. Maria felt very warm. She needed to take a break. She sat down under a tree. It was cooler in the shade. Maria smiled. She waved to her friends. Cool off with me in the shade, said Maria. Stop. So immediately you click stop, colleagues, it should be able to give you the percentages. So here's the learner. The learner has read the passage and it was able to give that learner this 96%. All right. Also, the interesting about this app is that it gives you the time at which you reach when you are reading, and also, most importantly, as a language teacher, you'll be able to say to the learner, go and practice the following words: warm, bought, felt, under, friends. Okay, so here, if you want to read again, you can read again, you can read something else, or you can practice those words. Let's go to practice those words. Okay, friends. How do I practice that one? Click on it. Let us say the learner doesn't understand.
Practice makes. When you're ready, press the microphone and read the word out loud.
Okay.
Friends.
Friends. All right, so it's coming. It is processing.
You're making your brain stronger. Nice work.
Okay, so it will be able to tell the learner,
these words were the most.
I'm thinking that I'm done practicing. It will not be able to tell the learner the pronunciations so that the learner can follow through and can improve. Remember the issue of levels again, it goes with the level. Let's go back. I want to explain this one again. The reading from the passage, now we have saw it, colleagues. Let's go to add your own passage. Okay, colleagues, on the add your own passage, here, remember, you have got your own workbook that you are using in the school. I normally say to my colleagues, we are digital content creators for our learners. You and I, we should be able to digitize the content from the textbook, that static textbook, to be digital. So how do you do it? For example, I'll go to my SDLR to get a grade 3 literacy textbook. Log out and log in. Okay, so this one, colleagues, let me go to grade 3. And I'll go to the workbook and I'll go to literacy. So there it is, English. It's loading. There we go. Okay. Let me just click the one because already I've put there on the pin so that I can find it. Here, colleagues, we have got a grade 3 textbook that these learners must read, but using that AI tool. You can download the book. Here it is. I want you to look this careful. You can download the book. You click here. You download, it goes to that particular downloads. But let us say that you are in a hurry, you only have this section, because remember, you still have to open do the screenshot. I'm doing the screenshot like this. Check what I'm doing. I'm taking this section only. I want to put it on that passage so that I can use the AI for the learner to read in the classroom. Okay, there it is. All right, but let's go back. I want to show you something, colleagues. This particular passage does not allow me to paste a picture. Then what do? I'll go to my AI tool, which is Gemini. All right, let me start here so that my colleagues can see. Let me just remove, okay, let me just remove this. I want a space. Okay, colleague. There it is, Gemini, that app that I was telling you about. Gemini, you can also get it from there, as Mem Kumalo has demonstrated when you go to the Google Apps, when she was going to Notebook LM. Gemini, click on Gemini. Okay, so this one, colleagues, the Gemini app, it is going to allow you to extract the text. All right, I'm going to paste that particular document that I've just took there. All right, already it went out. Let me just take it again. Sorry. I'm going to take it fast like this. Go back to Gemini. I'm going to paste. Okay, colleagues. I think maybe it's another AI integration that I wish that we should be using it, which some of you are using it. Every time, do not retype the text from a document, but you can use AI to extract the text. You just simply say extract text, just like that. This one, it takes away the work of you doing the retyping and so forth. So it's a learner, grade 3 learner. There it is. It's coming. See? Just like that. You are going to copy. Okay, let me just even take this one where it says it said Peter. You copy this one, colleagues, go back to this one, and we paste. So what was the story about? To give it a title, let's see. Maybe it was like a sports day or something. Okay, they are running there. I'll just say sports. Okay. Let's go to that reading coach and say sports or sports day. Click there. Not here, but here, colleagues. Sports. So what are you doing here? Already, you are integrating the textbook that you used your phone to capture. It can be a phone. You can capture using your phone, and you upload to Gemini, extract the text. Now it is digital. Then next. I want us colleagues to see this one. Now it has been taken now from the picture to that particular digital platform, which is this reading coach. There it is, all of it, exactly. All right, I'm not gonna read again. Now you've seen that you simply click here, you read, it's gonna give you the percentage. Allow me to go to these preferences, the AA. Let me click on the AA. Now, if the learner, for example, needs the font or the text size to be enlarged, you can simply enlarge like that. You see? Or you can take it back like that. Okay. And also can change the font like this. Can also go to Cosmic or Comic Sans. That is the font. If the learner prefers this color, for example, this one, I will click on it. It's going to change the color, the background. Then the learner will be comfortable according to his or her own preferences. Right. Okay. Let's move to the other feature. This feature. The next feature, which is the most important one. Remember, colleagues,